Let's cut the bullshit. Nobody respects you because you don't respect yourself. And if that stings, good. It should. You let people walk all over you. You laugh at jokes that aren't funny just to fit in. You say yes when you should be saying no. You shrink yourself to keep others comfortable. And you wonder why nobody takes you seriously. People treat you how you've trained them to. You tolerate disrespect, you get disrespected. Simple. Respect isn't given, it's enforced. You don't keep your own promises. You tell yourself you'll wake up early, hit the gym, chase your goals, and you don't. If you can't take your own words seriously, why would anyone else? You move like a background character in your own life. You wait for permission. You overthink. You stay quiet when you should speak up. Newsflash. Confidence isn't something you get handed. It's built by doing hard shit you don't feel ready for. Here's how you start flipping this today. Start saying no. No to bullshit. No to fake friends. No to your own weak habits. When you stop tolerating your own excuses, people stop giving you theirs. Respect starts with how you treat yourself when no one's watching. So ask yourself right now, would you respect you? If the answer's no, fix it. Not tomorrow. Today. Your move.